Hello, welcome back to Farm Improvement. Today we're going to be assembling a Perkins 236 engine out of a 175 Massey Ferguson. Been locked up. Back from the machine shop, we've already installed our sleeves, already cleaned the engine up, cleaned all the journals up, everything. So now it's just kind of going to be basic assembly, checking clearances, whatnot. So let's get to it. Install lifters first. And assembly oil. Alright, now we'll go ahead and install our camshaft, move it up, install it. All these clearances, bearing, everything, that's all been checked already. Let's get that. All the lobes up later before we turn the engine upside down. For now, we're just going to lube the journals. It's good. Okay, we got the camshaft in, pre-lubed. Now it's time to install the crankshaft and check the clearances on it. This will plastic gauge it. I've already put the bottom main bearing shells in, and I'll lay the crank in, and then we'll go over the plastic gauge. Okay, Crank's in. We're not putting any pre-lube on it yet. We're just checking clearances. The main caps will all have to come back off, clean that up. If everything checks out good, then we'll lube the crank, put the assembly lube on, and keep going. As you can see, got the main bearing caps on. Went ahead and got the plastic gauge pieces. We will lay those like so across all 5 mains. Put the main caps on, torque them to spec, and then remove them and see what kind of clearance we got. Now we'll install our caps. I'll get these torqued down and then we'll see what we got. Okay, got the plastic gauge put in, torqued the mains, pulled them back off. Everything looks good. Basically use a scale to measure the width, how much it flattens out the plastic rod. And this engine's supposed to have 2 to 4 thousandths clearance. Looks like we're right in the middle, 3 thousandths. It's not as tight as 2 thousandths. Definitely tighter than 4 thousandths. So, and they're all consistent. I already went through and looked at them. So we're all good there. So we'll clean this residue off, put some assembly lube, and get the crank put in for good. Okay, so we got the bearings all pre-lubed, the caps pre-lubed, crank is clean and ready to put in. So let's get to it. Yes, I did pre-lube the threads, just regular engine oil on those. These go on dowel, so they're a little hard to press in. Put in the thrust washers before I put the middle main cap on.